So we're putting a cabin filter in a 2021 Tacoma. It's going to be in the glove box is where it's located. Normally there's a tray right here that goes across like this. This one's missing. So to take it out, you just lift it up and you slide it right out of here. You can see that there's these slots right here where it's slotted in. And it just sits in here like that. So once you get that tray out, you're going to come back here and you're going to lift this up. Alright? It's very, very simple. Sorry it doesn't have the tray in it. This is a customer's car, so can't really help it. But you're going to take this door off here, going to push this tab in like this, and do it on the same side, on the side over here. Just push it in like that. See the filter right here. Here's our old filter. You can see it's pretty damn dirty compared to the new one. Alright. So, when you get your new filter, all your aftermarket filters usually have an airflow direction, okay, label on them, and it's going to be down when you go to put this guy in here, okay. You can actually see the blower spinning in there right now, but yeah, you want it to be facing down, right? See how it just gets sucked in there real quick. And if you need a filter, check the description box. I have a link to Amazon where you can pick up this exact filter right here. It fits in there perfectly. And then you're going to want to get this top, stick it right on there, lock it in there like that. You hear it click and pop. Alright. And then you get this tray here back in place. And then slide it up. And then down to lock it in. And then put your tray back on here like that. And you're all done.